Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check your Vivo model for 5G band support and carrier compatibility, because hardware limits are decisive. Once verified, update system FODA and carrier settings to the latest build. This prevents handshake errors. Make sure your SIM and plan are 5G enabled and move to a location with reliable signal. You do these steps first so the deeper configuration won't fail. Do not skip backup, because you may reset network settings during the process. Once done with prerequisites, open settings and enable 5G for the correct SIM. Choose the multi-mode preference like 5G/4G/3G/2G so your phone negotiates automatically. Then manually verify APN entries match carrier specs and enable VO NR or 5G SA modes if your carrier supports them. This affects voice and data continuity. After saving, restart the device to apply changes. You test using a speed test and check the NR or 5G icon to confirm an active session. To finish, verify data throughput and handover behavior across cells. If you still lack 5G, request a carrier profile refresh or a 5G-capable SIM swap. Some activations need operator provisioning. If connections drop or network modes revert, reset network settings, then reapply APN and network preference. This clears stale profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, gather signal strength, band info, and timestamps. Then contact carrier support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.